So we are at Gaalens Cheese Farm, a mountain bike park. They also do hiking, so we're doing something a little bit different today. Taking Kirsty with me, and we're going to go for a hike. Let's see how this goes. Off the bridge now. So, how's the hike going?
Chilled.
How are you feeling?
Fine.
Cool. Yeah, Kirsty swore the last hike we went on she was never going to hike with me again.
Because you're ugly to me. Like a drill sergeant.
We were arguing for pretty much 8Ks of the 10Ks, and then the last 2Ks was sliding down the embankment of the mountain
and ripping my pants.
To get back to the car. So I think we're on a better path today. I think it's a better walk. It's not much of a hike today actually. Just a walk around Van Gaalens Cheese Farm, and maybe some lunch just now, maybe some cake, cheesecake, and maybe buy some cheese. So yeah.
For you, yeah.
And yeah, it's just going to be more of a B-roll segment, to show you a bit of the beauty along these trails. We're actually on the bike trails, and as you know, it's a bike channel. I am doing a bit of hiking, but we will be back here for a bike park in Bark, and we smash out these trails on the bike. Like I said in my previous vlogs, this place is the mecca for mountain biking. It's epic out here. Just over there, out of this woods, this is the river single track, and then just out of here, you head out to those mountains. Just out there, the world opens to you. It's an amazing, amazing place. So we will be back. But for now, enjoy the walk. Guys, I'm going to pop a link over there. Go check out the first bike park in Bark I did. We went to Northern Farm, not too far from here either. Go check it out. Same format. I'm going to do it over here, and I'll bring you all the action. Sweet. So I've never done power walking in my life. Kirsty's showing me what that's all about. So yeah, this is power walking. This ain't no hike, by the way. So come out here for a walk, a bit of a power walk while I trip and kill myself. Okay, so we're coming through this little cool section here. Got reeds creating like a tunnel. This is one of the key features of this place. Once you start coming through here, you know home is very close by. Coffee shop, the cake, the coffee. It's all coming up. Yeah, you get pretty excited, and then you've got this nice shade just dropped in from harsh sun out there. Yeah, you just come into some nice chilled cruising through here. How rad is that? Okay, that was our hike. I'm gonna cross the bridge and then we're at the cheese farm again. Go get some food. How was your hike?
Nice.
Yeah. Kirsty doesn't really talk much on vlogs. She's like a mute. So it's fine. It's my vlog apparently, so it's fine. We'll get her into talking on vlogs at some point. Maybe you guys can drop something in the description to inspire Kirsty to speak. That was fun Gaalens, guys. Sorry we didn't show you much of the food and I showed you an empty milkshake. I just got a bit carried away with the food because it was so nice. There's also a little cheese shop inside. Bought ourselves some cheese and yeah, we're gonna make our way home. Tomorrow, got another epic adventure planned for you all.